All right, that took a little bit of effort, but I used my spoons to get into the tire to work it around without going too deep to pinch the tube. Sometimes you can kind of get the edge started and then kneel on it or put your feet on it or have someone hold it. Um, this rim was too small for the tire machine to hold, so I had to do it the old-fashioned way. They worked it around, and this handy little tool here kept the valve stem where it ought to be. So the next part is to hold the valve stem and inflate the tube. Just about every tire has printed on it somewhere the pressure to inflate it to. It says 14 psi max, and then it also gives you a warning: overinflating the rated psi may cause injury. So inflating the tube, we have to put enough air in the tube to get the tube to push the tire back onto the bead of the rim, the bead of the tire onto the rim, without putting too much pressure in there to overinflate it. Sometimes you can use tire slime or soapy water, what have you, and just put it in this joint here. And then when you inflate it, it allows the tire to slide onto the rim a little easy, with a little bit more ease. I'm probably going to use soapy water. I got some in a spray bottle, and then I'll hold the valve stem, put my air hose on there, and carefully inflate it. Make sure you don't want anything in here when the tire is inflating. You get caught in there, that's a lot of pressure. It's going to hurt, or worse. Don't do that. So just make sure everything is safe and clear when you hook up your air hose and inflate the tire to the recommended PSI. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.